Greetings, y'all. I'm out for a walk before the heat wave rolls in again. Hopefully this is the last one for the season, but who knows. And here's my new rig. This is the unglamorous side of van life, which it usually is, and that's just fine. That's real. Getting ready to put everything back in and hit the road. There she is, build number 233 from Suboverland. Just under 190,000 miles. Here's the bare bones. A sleeping platform with a drawer, cubbies, and a single third row seat. I'm leaving the drawer extended, which allows for more storage in the back. I'm storing and sanitizing water in glass jars, as well as several of these catering bladders. And have the usual gear in my garage. And a large IKEA bag holds all of my clothing packing cubes. A big plus in this space is all that room to stretch out. The Cubbies have stashing spots on the first tier, and then the second tier is the tabletop area. I drilled a hole in the plywood and threaded a double strand of bungee cord across the length of the tabletops through the handles of the storage bins I was able to find. I got 5 of these rope baskets at Target and 2 sets of plastic bowls from the dollar store. I used the bottom of a salt container to create a stabilizer for my water bottle. My toilet consists of a pee bottle and a collapsible 2-gallon bucket. I use regular 4-gallon bags and cat poop bags to contain the smell. My kitchen starts in the front seat with the pantry. This large piece of felt keeps hidden my pots, pans, and the dry goods I use on a daily basis. In the front seat footwell, I keep my gym bag, magnets for a reflective tarp, and the rest of my dry goods. Kitchen area starting on the left with my paper towel dispenser, my fridge with a magnetic top that keeps it from opening, the double tray that I use for a lot of things, spray bottle with water and hydrogen peroxide for cleaning dishes, the container of water I keep up front with me, utensils and storage bags, my induction cooktop that I keep anchored with some ball bungees in a wooden tray I found at a thrift store, weather gear, rain guards on the windows, a windshield protector for reflection and snow, a doubled-in backup camera, a Max Air fan, and a roll-up cover I made, I added these panels behind the driver's seat and the passenger seat to block the light coming in addition to repurposing these blackout curtains that I had in my Kia. WeatherTech window coverings make stealth parking a breeze. I stitch on a layer of landscape fabric and you can see the difference here. I repurposed a section from my Sorrento to block the light coming in from the rearview mirror, and reflective tarps in appropriate spaces. Zip-tied baskets to the armrests provide extra storage in the back, tools in the doorwell on the passenger side, pertinent driving info on the driver's side. A small collapsible recoiling garbage bin fits right under the sleeping platform. I started out with these indoor-outdoor scatter rugs, and then I found these foam tiles that I could cut to fit the irregular space. One layer for where the seats used to be, and then the finishing layer that holds itself in place. Hopefully easy cleanup with the whisk broom. Time to do some camping.